guys, LG here. I'm gonna play Minecraft for the very second episode. I was gonna say first. I'm gonna do survival. I'm gonna name it the Black Hole 4. That's my name of my server. So I'm gonna name this video as Minecraft Let's Play Episode 1. I think I'm gonna make episode 2 until episode 10 maybe. Ooh, I spawned in a thing that I don't like. I don't like ice. But I can build stuff on ice. This is a pretty tall tree. There! Cutting down trees with my bare hands. Okay, I've got enough food. I only need 5. So I'm gonna build my house over here. That's the stairs. What? Oh, I remember. Sand fell down. I hate sand. But it's useful for something. Oh man. I'm gonna break this with wood. Oh, this thing is so loud. Oh, what? Never mind. I'm gonna use dirt for the roof. Oh, I forgot I have to make. Oh, craft. I always do mistakes. Oh man, the crafting table there. I'm gonna make some door. I'm still breaking these stones. It's taking too long. Am I saying a rhyme? Nope. I'm gonna craft a pickaxe. Oh, I forgot. I can craft a pickaxe. I'm so there. Put some stand there. Oh, right. There. Done making my shelter, so I will be safe in the night. Alright, I remember. I'm in peaceful. Nah, I'm just gonna keep that on peaceful. Okay, so I think I'm gonna end it here. Please watch part 2. I'm gonna hunt for the sheep. I'm gonna put my crafting table there. Crafting table, you betrayed me. Pickaxe. 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 Okay. Bye-bye.